Rescue work is still on. We will ask for a CBI inquiry.
First words from the Trinamool Congress leader minutes after returning from Jhargram, and few hours later an expected retaliation from the left.
The Railway Ministry should take responsibility.
Far removed from the politics is this address in Kolkata's Abdul Ali Row. 34-year-old Javed Alam, his wife Sabeya and their twin 6-year-old daughters Shireen and Sarmeen are among those who died when suspected Maoists sabotaged railway tracks, causing the Gyaneshwari Express to derail. Their relatives are in a state of shock.
Will 5 lakh rupees bring my uncle, aunt and their 2 children?
5 लाख का दे करके वो वोट को सिंपैथी में खरीदेगी जा करके बुद्धि बोलेंगे कि ममता का फॉल्ट था जो रेल वो चेक नहीं की तो ये दोनों का पार्टी के बीच में हम आम इंसान क्यों मरेंगे?
As people unite in this moment of sorrow in this narrow lane of Kolkata, Mamata Banerjee's announcement of money for the victims or a minute's silence observed by the West Bengal Chief Minister to remember those who died seem to offer hardly any consolation. With Arijit Sen in Kolkata, in New Delhi, Sai Ram Sanat Kumar.